McDonald's isn't just a fast food company. It's a system built on speed, consistency, and predictability. Every second matters. Every order is designed to move quickly from the speaker to the window. And for decades, the drive-thru has been the heart of that system. So when McDonald's decided to change how drive-thru orders were taken, it wasn't just testing new technology. It was testing the foundation of its entire business. In 2021, McDonald's partnered with IBM to launch an ambitious experiment, an AI-powered drive-thru ordering system. The goal was to let artificial intelligence listen to customers, understand their orders, and place them automatically without any human involvement. No cashiers on the headset, no employees repeating orders, just a machine doing the work. On paper, the idea made perfect sense. AI doesn't get tired, it doesn't lose focus, and it never calls in sick. If it worked, McDonald's could reduce labor pressure, speed up service, and standardize orders across thousands of locations. The system was rolled out quietly to more than 100 McDonald's restaurants across the United States. Customers weren't always told they were speaking to a machine. Most assumed it was just another employee on the other end of the speaker. But once real people started using the system, problems appeared almost immediately. Customers would order a single sweet tea only to hear the AI repeat the order as 9 sweet teas. Others watched the system add random items they never mentioned. Ice cream would appear on orders with bacon and butter. Simple meals turned into massive receipts costing hundreds of dollars. At first, customers laughed. Some even thought the mistakes were jokes, but the errors kept happening. People tried correcting the system, speaking slowly and clearly, but the AI struggled. Background noise confused it. Accents confused it. Children talking in the back seat confused it. Even multiple people speaking at once was enough to completely break the system. The problem wasn't the technology itself, it was reality. Drive-thrus are loud, unpredictable environments. Cars idle, music plays, engines rumble, and the AI simply wasn't built for that level of chaos. Employees quickly found themselves stepping in to fix orders that the system couldn't handle. Instead of saving time, the AI often created more work. Lines slowed down, customers grew impatient, and frustration spread. Behind the scenes, the numbers told the same story. The AI system was only around 85% accurate. That might sound acceptable in some industries, but in fast food, it meant constant corrections, wasted food, and angry customers. Then the internet got involved. Videos showing the AI's mistakes exploded on TikTok, Twitter, and YouTube. Clips of absurd orders went viral. People mocked the system. Comment sections filled with jokes and criticism. What was meant to be a quiet test had become a public embarrassment. Franchise owners began to complain. Many felt the experiment was hurting their business rather than helping it. Customers came for speed and simplicity, not to argue with a robot over their order. By 2024, McDonald's had seen enough. Without much fanfare, the company announced that the AI drive-thru experiment would be shut down. By July of that year, the system was turned off at all test locations. The machines were unplugged and human employees returned to the speakers. McDonald's described the project as a learning experience. IBM moved on to other AI ventures, and while McDonald's didn't abandon artificial intelligence completely, it changed how it planned to use it. Instead of placing AI directly in front of customers, the company shifted its focus behind the scenes. AI would help with demand forecasting, kitchen efficiency, and mobile app recommendations, but not live ordering. The experiment revealed something important. Artificial intelligence can be powerful, but only in controlled environments. The real world is messy. People don't speak clearly. Noise is unavoidable, and fast food drive-thrus are anything but predictable. For now, humans still outperform machines in those moments. The McDonald's AI drive-thru wasn't a failure because the idea was bad. It failed because the technology wasn't ready for the reality it was placed in. And sometimes, even the biggest companies learn that the future can't be rushed. Because when speed matters and chaos is guaranteed, there's still no replacement for a human voice on the other end of the speaker.